Hello, welcome to Erica LOL Beauty and Reviews. Today we're going to be unboxing the seasonal subscription box that I believe is, they upgraded it to, I believe it might be $7 now. This is from Walmart. So let's see what's in here. You usually get 5 items at least, and some are full size, some are not. So let's see what's in here. Okay, first thing we have is Humphreys Witch Hazel Organic Toner, Calm and Clarify with Lavender. And it's like a blue color. With Wild Crop Certified Witch Hazel. I love witch hazel. I'm not going to open it though, because I don't want to break the seal. We have another Hello Activated Charcoal with Fresh Mint and Coconut Oil Epic Whitening Fluoride Free Toothpaste. I am actually going to have to use this. They always give this to me in some kind of Target or Walmart beauty box, so we're going to go ahead and try it. We have Scrunchies Wild Primrose clips. They look like this. I don't use clips, so I will stick this in the giveaway box container that I put everything in that I use for giveaways. Alrighty, and we have Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Manicure. Lasts 14 days. My nails are too small for these, so I will go ahead and put these in a giveaway as well. Alright, last 2 items. We have Tenology Face and Body Drops. I don't know how you could figure out. I guess this is like you could take this piece and like put it on the inside of your wrist or something and see if it works for you. I'm not sure if that's enough to try. And we have a 7th Heaven Charcoal Peel Off Cleansing and Detoxifying Mask. I have enough face masks, so this will go in a giveaway also. So this is what this looks like. And so 3 items. Not bad. Let's see what it says. Spring 2001. We have the Wild Primrose Scrunchy Hair Accessories. It retails for $4.97 to $7.97, and that looks like a full size. These Dashing Diva Ultra Shine Gel Palette, full size is $6.97. You get 32 strips. There's only 20 in here, so it's not quite full. This is definitely a full size, and this is $1.37 for one. That's not bad. This is the toner is 3.3 fluid ounces, so it's not a full size. A full size is $10.98 for 8 ounces. I'll let y'all know how I like that one. And the toothpaste, definitely not a full size, but a 4-ounce size. This is 1 ounce, so this is 1/4. So it'll be about $1 because it says it's $3.99 for the full size. So that is not bad. Oh, the Tenology. Not on here. So I have no idea. This is just like a random little sample. So it's not bad. I like how they just started adding the little thing. It's not bad that you only pay maybe $20 a year, maybe a little more now, and you get to try different drugstore products, and it's seasonal. So yeah, I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.